Transferring file from your DJI Pocket 4 to your phone should be fairly easy. Only thing you have to do is to power on your camera, then visit the DJI Mimo app that you should already have because you need it to connect it to activate your camera. Once it's open, you should be asked to join and wait for a few seconds. That's it. Once it will be connected, the camera will enter in library mode, which will shut down the gimbal, and you will be able to see what is on your camera. So if I want to download this file, I can download it. And if I go back here, actually, yes, I can see it because I'm on device, but now if I go on local, as you can see, I can see it right here. You can manage everything inside the Mimo app, but if you move to the photo app of your phone, it might not be on your main screen library or whatever. You might need to go into collection, album, folder, whatever. But inside there, you should find a DJI album in which you will find everything that was downloaded to your phone. So this is it. I hope this was helpful.